Documentation should be clear and engaging. Long texts? Not ideal. That's where Loom plus Confluence help. With Loom embedded in Confluence, you can replace long explanations with quick, clear video walkthroughs, saving time and improving understanding. How it works. Record a quick explainer video with Loom. Embed it directly into Confluence pages. Team members watch, understand, and act faster than ever. Too much text can lead to miscommunication, wasted time, and low engagement. Team members skim through pages but miss key details. Common challenges. Long, hard-to-follow documentation. Lack of engagement from teams. Misinterpretation of complex information. Here's how teams use Loom plus Confluence to streamline collaboration. For project managers, share sprint updates visually. For developers, explain complex code changes. For HR and onboarding, create engaging training videos. For support teams, deliver step-by-step troubleshooting guides. Teams using Loom and Confluence see 30% fewer misunderstandings, 50% faster decision-making, higher team engagement and productivity. Ditch the text overload. Make your documentation clearer, faster, and more effective with Loom plus Confluence. Try it today.